Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So I woke up around 6:45 and had my daily routine. So firstly, that is, I opened the window and let the sunshine come in into my room and make it light and bright. And I also folded my mattresses. The next thing to do was my daily course. So I start with brushing my teeth and getting myself refreshed. Then my mother gave me green tea, which I sat in the balcony and enjoyed in the presence of Mother Nature. I felt so refreshing. Then I wore my morning walking shoes and then went out for a walk with my friend. So here I enjoy nature thoroughly with the sunrise and the blossoming of flowers and also enjoying the whole nature beauty. I'm also practicing the whole routine that it must be a daily routine for a walk of around 15 to 20 minutes, because it induces many hormones and the body circulations is also maintained finely by this practice. After taking a refreshing bath, I water to my special plant, that is Mr. Turtle, which was given as a present to me. I sometimes talk to him. I know it's strange, but I love talking with him because he's so much of a cute kind. So back from the morning walk, I had some breakfast, some light breakfast, and I'm ready with my study material. So I'm just gonna follow the Pomodoro technique that I explained in my previous video. So it's around 9 o'clock, 10 around. So let's begin, and I hope you are with me. So today my subject of studying is ophthalmology. That is, ophthalmology is a study of the anatomy, pathology, physiology, and many more such medical scenarios related to the eyes. You will be facilitated to know that a small structure, that the organs which help us to see, have so many variations and so many related anatomies and pathologies related to it. Because of the COVID situations, our college are being closed and our practical exams are being withheld. So to not waste much time on this academic sessions of the college, we have started learning the things from the marrow. I'll prepare a separate video on the marrow, so stay tuned for it too. So here I am also following my Pomodoro technique, which helps me a lot to focus and maximize my productivity. So I hope you are also following that method. And guys, please stay hydrated in the morning hours, because during night almost 20% of the water levels seeps down in your body. So make sure in the morning sessions you drink around 1 to 1.5 liters of water and stay hydrated. And during this special COVID times, it is very important to stay hydrated and eat healthy foods and fruits to maintain your immunity. So now guys, it's almost 12:30. I guess this is 12:30 as you can all see. So I'm just tired of studying the subject which I was revising. So see you guys later after the lunch break, and stay with me. And if you are liking this video, please do hit a thumbs up, because it gives me a lot of motivation. After exhausting session of around 2.5 hours, I was finally able to enjoy the lunch, that is roti, a green sabzi and salad, and it was a perfect balanced diet. And while doing so, I was watching a medical series on Hotstar Premium, that is The Resident. Quick update guys, I have done my lunch and I have taken a small nap of about half an hour. So already it's now I guess 2 o'clock. I'll start my subject again and continue with the video. So I hope you're liking it. So in the afternoon session, I begin with a second year MBBS subject, that is pathology, that defines as a normal changes other than the physiology in our body. So I am basically studying the cellular pathology, and I am so astonished to know that a small cell can also occur major changes in the organ systems via in such a basic level. Such a basic cell can also cause so much pathological changes, and it's very much one of a kind to know the information about it. And guys, if you are liking this content, please comment down in the video that what you want in the future from me. So in the infotainment videos, or what will be the vlog videos, or the information about the subjects or the books. If you are liking this content, please do comment below and tell me what should I do in the next video. And also please like, share and subscribe if you are liking this content too. And if you are feeling a little bit dizzy in your studying in the afternoon, try to be active while writing it. It was feeling a little bored for me in the afternoon session for studying, so I started learning a new thing which I am doing for now up to 10 to 15 days, that is developing a new website for my podcast show. If you don't know, I am also hosting a podcast on Spotify, and it is also available on various podcasts apps such as Breaker or Radio Podcast and Google Podcast and many more. So it's basically called A Few Questions to Ask, and it is written a novel by me, so I am directing as a podcast for you all. So if you want to follow it, the link is in the description below. So make sure you give it a listen and also share with your friends if you like it. So I'm developing the website for this and many more. I'm just learning how to build a website, and in future I may also launch my website for my notes or for my mind maps and many more such things. I'm just planning to do it, not such, because it also takes a lot of effort to maintain a leisure time and maintain your study time and maintain everything in life, because balance in life is very much important. And guys, if you are trying to do something or trying something new, please, I will tell you, if you are failing, no worries, just give it a try. And if you fail or if you succeed, doesn't matter, but you will get an experience that you can only experience it, not the other can do it. So please try this. So after 2 to 3 hours of studying and revising my material, I have been so much tired and my brain has stopped working. So after 6, I did not feel, from 6 to 8 I did not feel of studying. So I just ran to my terrace and seen this beautiful scenery, and watching this gives me nice pleasant of mind and also cheers me a lot. So I'll do some exercises here and make sure that you also stay healthy in this lockdown, because everyone gets to enhance their health and immunity. So stay healthy and stay home mainly. It was such a rejuvenating and refreshing moment, enjoying the sunset and binding with those colors, the orange color mixing with the blue in the sky, and the vast blue sky filled with the birds flying back to the nest, and also hearing the beautiful sound of the chirping birds that calmed my mind, and also it gave me a different energy that was level beyond. So guys, I have just completed my workout and then had a quick bath and had my delicious dinner made by my mother, and mom, dad and I had a great time together in dinner. So now it's almost, I guess, 9:15. I guess it's 9:15, and the topic that I've read whole day, that the target is to just make a crux out of it and feed in the long-term memory. So it might take an hour or two. So let's see what happens, and hope for the best that I complete my targets tonight. So everything went well according to my daily planner. I have completed all my targets. So now for the final study session of the night, I decided for going for a revision, a thorough revision, because my mind could not grasp any more new things in the night. So I continue with the revision that will enhance my concepts very much more and build it in a long term memory. And also I do find every time I may think that it must happen with you guys too, that is you are reading something or revising something for a 2 second or third time, you may experience new things that you were being left on the first time of reading. It happens to me a lot, so I be thorough with the revision to clear the things and clear the concepts and remember it, and give also a clinical approach via solving the questions after completing the particular topic. So guys, finally I have completed my whole target of the day according to my planner. Everything has been ticked and I'm feeling so much satisfied. So right now it's around, I guess, 11:40 exact to be precise. It's 11:40 and it took me almost 2 hours to revise the whole thing. But it's nice that a revision, a glance at all the things, make you can make you a thorough recap and stick the concept in mind. So it was a very much productive day. So it's been a good day and it's nice. So finally, after a productive day, I got on a video chat with some of my school friends that are very much close to me, and had some fun for around 15 to 20 minutes, and it felt very refreshing because after an exhausting day you need a battery charge. So if this video added some more value to your life or you feel motivated after seeing this video, please hit the like button, please do share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, because if you do so, it will give a lot of motivation to me every time. So I am Shrey Patel and I am second year MBBS student at GMARS Medical College Vadnagar, and please do comment also that what should I do for the next upcoming videos. And if you are please liking this comment, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you soon.